Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cookies in Zen browser. Clearing cookies can help fix website login issues, resolve loading problems, and remove stored website data from your browser. Let's get started. First, open Zen browser on your computer. Click the menu button in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings page, click Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Cookies and Site Data section. Click the Clear Data button. A pop-up window will appear with different options. To remove only cookies, check Cookies and Site Data. If you don't want to clear your browser cache, make sure Cached Web Content is unchecked. Now click the Clear button. If a confirmation message appears, click Clear now to continue. Zen browser will remove all stored cookies from your browser. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some websites, so you'll need to log in again. Once the process is complete, close and reopen Zen browser for the changes to take effect. That's it. You've successfully cleared cookies in Zen browser. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.